Today we are going to see brief introduction of our subject computer graphics. Let us first try to understand what is computer graphics. Computer graphics is subfield of computer science which deals with methods for digitally synthesizing and manipulating visual content, or it can also be called as branch of computer science that deals with process of generating, manipulating, storing and displaying images with aid of computers. Computer graphics is nothing but the art of drawing images, pictures on display screen with the help of programming. Until early 1980s, computer graphics was small and limited to specialized field like armies. The reason was expensive hardware, it was not easy to use, and also it was not cost effective. But the evolution of digital systems and personal computers with built-in raster graphic display made the flood of inexpensive graphics based applications and devices. Because of evolution of digital systems, bitmap graphics came into existence. Bitmap graphics is nothing but ones and zeros representation of rectangular array of pixels on the display screen. Affordable bitmap graphics led to the explosion of easy to use inexpensive graphics based applications. Because of GUI, users were able to simultaneously access to different applications like text editors, code editors, spreadsheets, etc. GUI made it possible easy to use computers and devices for common non-technical people. Command line interface CLI was much hard and complicated for common people. Because of GUI, it was faster and easier communication between user and operating system. Now let us try to understand what are the different operations of computer graphics. Geometry. Geometry is nothing but drawing and representing the scene. Animation. Animation is addition of dynamic content in the scene. Rendering. Rendering is nothing but adding realistic light in the scene. Imaging. Imaging is image acquisition and image editing. Computer graphics initially started displaying data on hard copy display devices like plotters, printers. After that, cathode ray tube usage was common. And now today we have LCDs, LEDs, liquid crystal displays and light emitting diodes respectively. Now let us try to understand graphics related hardware. GPU or graphics processing unit is assembled on graphics card. GPU is responsible for performing complicated mathematical calculations required for our computer graphics. Graphics cards takes the output from GPU and in cooperation with device drivers sends out output to the display devices like monitors. So this was brief introduction to our subject computer graphics.